news headlines. Health Director releases social media reports on coronavirus case. Wasima JEC stresses protest murder suspect produced in court. And 9 shops razed by fire in Ukul district. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Director of Health Services Manipur Dr. K. Raju today rejected the social media reports on detection of suspected case of coronavirus in Manipur. Coronavirus, the deadly disease which originated from China, has spread to 14 countries and has killed more than 130 people so far. Talking exclusively to TOMTV in his chamber, Dr. K. Raju clarified that the report doing the rounds on social media was a rumor.
Yakoina look kurpa matamda marks happy ba marks later na handkerchimna khumjan biba madi airborne disease ni koina look kuto kraga wangang to kraga sneezing hathi kalaga thoki basina iasida droplet me amsida sakraga mute sound doini surface pakka doini koina par doini mobile par man mobile par doini koina mu theng doini sinda maida na tonda yam toina paibi daba aduna could you have to Hambiba, Masim and Takaroi, at the hygiene and sanitation Ziba Panba, have the Yum the Luna and Labor, Yakui Kasi, the Pazana antiseptic, Quay, Final Gumbakari, Mahafta, Saint-Opiva, at the Gia Quay Carpesit Habida, Carpesit Saint-Opia, the Mother Sankra, the Yam Queen and Lay Moise.
Raju said there are no reports of coronavirus case in the state of Manipur. The health director said that the department has taken up steps for screening people at the Imphal Airport, Mori Gate number 1 and 2, ICP, Mao Gate, Baihang and Jiripam. Dr. Raju said that a medical team comprising of medical officers and necessary equipment has been sent to the locations by giving strict instruction to the chief medical officers. The directorate has also ordered the staff not to take leave. Raju urged that rumors should be avoided because it may create panic among the public. He reiterated that there are no cases of coronavirus in India or Manipur. He said his department is closely examining the rumor surrounding the case of coronavirus.
Coronavirus Sandorokle Haibagi Tongan social media the Yauna Sandok Liba Asigi Matanga TOMTV na Health Services ki Director Dr. K. Rajoga Akanana Unava Amada Stella Sida Housing Fawagi Oinadi Coronavirus Sangak Pagi Musum Confirm Webagi Pau Lati Haibagi Wafam Mayek Singna Tamlai Amaram the Housing Tongan social media ki Kutang the Sandorli Wafam Masi Aranmani Rimani Masi Tongani Aduna Miamna social media Kutang the Haiba Tongasi Sandokpiganu Health Department Tongan ba section Thorang Sing Mapung Pana Lokat Pagaloina Manipur gi Sangpam Weriba Tongan ba Mafam Sing the checkpoint sing Hangduna Ladiba Laina Makalasi Sangak Tanabagi Tongan ba Step Sing Thorang Sing Health Department Paikali Haibu from Tambagaloina Manipur gi Miamna social media ki Kutang the Tongan bagi section Kudimakta Selasida coronavirus Sangakle confirm where have Wafam Sing asi Yarima Bakai Sandopiganu Haibu Wafam Sing Tamlaki TOMTV Damak Bisozical Unana Paudam Zeriba Nabukuma Kagopam Times of Manipur Health Services Lampenpan.
Demanding justice for 18-year-old KH Wasima, who was found brutally murdered in a fish pond at Irong Salam Macha Fish Farm under Mayang Imphal Police Station last morning. The Joint Action Committee against the brutal killing of Miss Wasima today organized a sit-in protest in front of Azad Higher Secondary School, Yairipok, Santa Bazar. Hundreds of residents took part in the demonstration, during which they chanted slogans demanding the authority to name the culprits and give befitting punishment. One MK Sahit aged 31 years of Yaripok, Changdambi Makhalekai, who is said to be the boyfriend of the deceased, was arrested by police in connection with the case. During interrogation, he had admitted that he had committed a crime, police sources said. It is also learned that Said's car was also seized by the police and that some belongings of Wasima were found inside the car. The JEC also submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister and the Andhra MLA T.H. Syamkumar in connection with the alleged murder case. Said was produced before the district and session Just Imphal East this afternoon.
Pashakara Piraga, Natana KC, compromise to the Wakula, but the Senator Jason make a Palms of Haitagadi Mara Leba, Mishakado, Amu away, and you away, Maral Matun, the subsum of Dandi, she wished up for the Aduna Tasina Sigi, Sinjariva, Sidin Potes, Narangi, Adumaba, Mishi, the Maril, and a sim to Sigi, and the Kunzu section, but Sidin Potes.
Manipur Muslim Women Organization Women Wing today strongly condemned the brutal murder of Wasima Kulabham of Yaripok Tulihal Mayailekai, a second semester student of Maharashtra Bodhachandra College, Imphal. He was allegedly raped and murdered on the night of 27 January. Talking to media person at organization office Hatta, spokesperson Yumkhaibam Ongbirosi said that such heinous crimes are on the rise rapidly in the state due to the failure of the authority to initiate swift action to punish the culprit involved in such inhuman acts. Rosie urged the authority to book all wrongdoers and punish them as per the law of the land. He assured of extending support to the JAC in their fight for justice.
Irong Chisabada Yaripok Tulihandagi Wasima Kaubi Maharaja Bodhachandra College the second semester Kabi Nupi Macha Amabu Sarak Tambirabo Matungda Yam Tamtina Hatuk Laga Huntok Lamba Sigi Matangda MMWO Women's Wing Maikai Dagi Akan Bamong the Condemn Tozeri Masigum Batodok Ase Matungda Amuhana Tolak the Navanga Pali Balenga Asina Generiba Dan Mara Labor Mioi Adubu Matik Chaba Dan DPBO Haine MMWO Women's Wing Maikai Dagi Apil Tozeri.
9 shops were burned down to ashes in a Benza fire that broke out in Phungreitang West area of Manipur, Sukkur district on the intervening night of Tuesday and Wednesday. Sources informed the fire began around 2:45 am and spread in no time, and one of the eyewitnesses raised an alarm and informed the others. The fire began from a room occupied by one snacks dealer identified as Pradeep Burman, originally a resident from West Bengal. Burman allegedly fled from the scene after the fire broke out. Sources informed that property worth crores of rupees was destroyed in the fire. Several shop owners claim to have made a heavy loss in the fire. This is the third major fire in the Ukhrul district this year so far. Last year, 11 fire incidents were reported in the district. A team of Moreh Hospital started coronavirus screening from today at Moreh, Myanmar border gate number 1 and 2. However, the team faced drawback as they used only 2 infrared thermometers. A team of Tammu Hospital, Myanmar has already begun screening of visitors from Manipur at the border region. Manipur now has one screening center at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge and another at Namphaalong Gate to detect people having fever through infrared thermometer. However, it has become an impossible task to screen a large number of people entering the border, with just 2 devices for the Indian medical team at the border town. On the other hand, the Myanmar medical team uses 3 devices while screening 1 person.
Okay.
And now let's have a short commercial break, and coming up, no confirmed coronavirus case in India, Manipur says Dr. K. Raju.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual-based knowledge, chapter-wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents-teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Homeboarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Wabiraganu Medilena pung kunmari chupna adongi yumda medical oxygen thinba lakpada natana installation tawwa yabagi khudong chaba pijari masita natana darkar laiba oxygen regulator amadi makhal khudingmaki oxygen mask na singba puraktuna miyamge mateng pangjari
loinana anaba singamari leinaba makhal khudingmaki medical equipment sing foldable bed suction machine regulator monitor nebulizer wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudong chaba pijari adomsunga sima call tawduna tanabiu aikhogi contact number 9205987988 amadi play store da changbiduna Medillion F download tabiu.
Welcome back. Caping and lamp lighting ceremony for the students of schools of auxiliary nurse midwife female health workers Imphal was held today at Nurse Hostel number 1 Sanakaitel. Director of Family Welfare Services Manipur, Dr. K. Rajo Singh, Principal of the school, T.S. Radhesham Devi and Deputy Nursing Director of Medical Directorate, Lalbai Koi were present at the ceremony. The student took oath in the front of the portrait of the Florence Nightingale to work for the humanity with dedication. Speaking at the function, Dr. K. Rajo said that A&M FHW needs dedication and sincerity as they will be attending the patients. Dr. Razo also urged the nurses to work hard with commitment.
Anoba laiba join toriba singina ngasi sigi function si tor matungda moi community level la salaga training ge anoba wasak lo bhai tare kule Florence Nightingale gi mamangda yakoina laikatna duk thadna khoigi parjai namda khoi seba tawjage aduga khoigi color of the people khaidana amdi lairba inakunba khaidana yeknaba adagi khaidana yakoigi parjai namda as a responsible citizen moina ngasi thabak tawjage habi wasa du ngasi asi logodori bani masidagi di moina phajna moi service hogidori bani.
Meanwhile, commenting on coronavirus, Dr. Razo said that there are no confirmed cases of the deadly disease in India or Manipur and that proper measures have been put in the place at Rims and Jennings Hospital to fight any outbreak. He also urged the public to maintain personal hygiene.
Masi anabaji anytime heta thorpa yai masidi yam jathi banabani khoina prevention is better than cure and magi vaccine leite magi hidak leite madi narma tamna magi tomum thopa kara IV drip pa support ro masa kanna toba so rombo warga na mai ventilator thajamba my personal care my nutrition fund ba si khatani aduna koi jinimsa hoji si bed nipan kha ga thamgre ventilator ready lore doctor duty torga thamgre rimski damakta di adu jinimsa jo koina tanguni thoi da paw haigim ne adu jinimski de hoji koi da response laktri moi ready tore habagi adu rimski di pura ready legre adu jinimsu ngarang jo koina paw thajabani no ready lero adu bed identify torga ventilator ga thamna haira adu yakoi paw ngainari moi de gidi aduna masi koi kasu kiniya lete adubu mayam ta na hygienic masi lok thungdana ba yakoi gi yarigi ipun gumba amot akai marakta allergic oiba yaba posakta changbi ganu ado kanimba masi lok thunga su ngasai gi personal protective mechanism sina bidana yakoi amadagi amada sandoktana ba honasi ada hoji bagdadi Manipur da laitri India da laitri.
A team of minor irrigation department inspected irrigation canals at Kangabok today. This came after Empowerment Organization of Youths of Kangabok EOYOK requested Chief Minister N. Biren to look into the condition of irrigation canals in the area on Miyamgi Numit on January 15 last. Assistant Engineer Thobal Subdivision M. Michael, members of EOYOK and several others were part of the visit to Wangjing, Lamding, Sangayumpham, Lairel Konjin and some other locations. Talking to reporters, EOYOK President Moirangthem Jivan Kumar said that most of the canals in the area are now in pathetic condition, causing serious problem to farmers. He held the state government for listening to the plight of the people.
si haibi hubi dam hariba roi ba rong to mthak sariba dam se wa phut ama ani gi chang wang khalan biraga watli ba khoi da sing phangdri ba mafam sing lokon khuni pungena lokon sing si saurang na khang lokon kyam lokon salam lokon aduga umro leidi ba lokon sing si brak ta khoi tongan bak sagai makhong khain leidi hariba lokon sing si sing phangda bai awa ba se sum leida kum si lo na kalam pande mayam gi akum sup mang da sing isaung sum mahalli kari kuma tamde sing si phanga da sahi sing kang thok padan lo pan mangam da se phangana bo hona bada mai na ba department ki amasung department ki miyoi sing natragana khoi gi ladi ba higher authority hai tare honorable minister gi miyeng makhada thamuk sing si tobi.
On the other hand, social worker KH Manjor Mangan, who was also part of the inspection visit, said that restoring the canals will help increase food production.
अथुब मतमदा डिपार्टमेंट रिपोर्ट तो सरकार पिबिरगा सरकार की माइकैदगी थबक तो उन्थोकपिरगदी खांगबो खुंगंगी प्रजासिंग अमसुंग संगायमफमगी प्रजासिंगना हौजिकी ऑनरेबल सीएम अमसुंग गवर्नमेंट सिबु हाइनिंगाय लेतना थागतपदो थमजगन.
Free Progress Academy today celebrated its 40th Foundation Day at its premises located at Konthozam Kawikul. Former Principal of DM College of Commerce, Dr. C. Chamini Devi, retired education as Joint Director N. Nimai Singh, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, and All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association Advisor N. Tombe Singh, former Urembam Jila Parisat member S. Lebak Macha Singh, and Principal of Free Progress Academy L. Indra Kumar Singh, and several others were present at the occasion. Talking at the function, L. Indra Kumar said that since the start of the school, it has been instilling good moral values and discipline in students, setting aside free structure and profit. He expressed concern over private schools giving importance on the business of money making.
Hariba coaching jida makoi akhang ahei sing akoi resource person camera sing kauraga akoi gi oja sing siga loina na question answer mayam nai nai maduna yamna mai pakpa yamna successful way yamna maru na paikhalidi angang sing sigi lamcha chajat adunga mobile de edit oidana ba adu nisha de edit oidana ba loina na meditation nomagi meditation je tambi meditation jina brain yam improvement lai aduna nomada moina assembly gi mamangda assembly hek loiraga assembly mamang sida makoida concentration ki wakhalol amal lai.
Manipuri Students Federation MSF today elected its new office bearers for the term 2020-2021 at the Federation office located at Kwakaitel, Imphal. Altogether, 26 new office bearers, including Executive Council members, were elected uncontested. Muhammad Sajad Buyamayum, Hizam Rosan Singh, and Ningombam Prem were elected as President, General Secretary, and Finance Secretary, respectively.
Sanakanglon Constitution gi makada hairiba miyoi sing asi akogi lakaduriba taraga tare suba Federal Executive Council 2020-21 asida yenaba leitana lamba yaudana akogi kare hairiba miyoi sing asina akogi taraga tare suba Federal Executive Council 2020-21 gi thau puragani.
United Forum of Bank Union called a nationwide bank close on January 31st and February 1. Addressing the media at SBI Imphal branch today, Chairman of United Forum of Bank Union Manipur State Committee, Seram Bijoy, said that the decision to call the nationwide bank close in 3 phases came after a meeting between India Bank Association and UFBU on January 13 could not bring any solution regarding increase of their pay. The committee further said that they will call another strike from March 11 to 13. One person was killed in a road mishap at Assam Rohinang Difumania Road, Manja Road today. The deceased has been identified as retired Reverend T. Kamjakam hailing from Churachandpur in Manipur. According to reports, the incident took place this morning. when a Genka Diffu bound bus bearing registration number AS09AC0522 hit Kamjakam, who was going for a morning walk. He died on the spot. T. Kamjakam had come to Assam to attend Karbi Anglong Mission Field Conference 2020 of Evangelical Baptist Convention, reports inform. In view of the replacement work of all iron truss rack of Loktak Intake Power Channel Bridge with a new one, Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District has issued a notification that on February 2 next from 5:30 am till 8:30 am, all passengers and private vehicles plying from Imphal towards south along the Tidim route will be diverted at Loktak Project Road, along Jero Colony, Loktak Project via Ningthokong Bazar Mathak, Lekai Road connecting to Tidim routes, and vehicles plying from Ningthokong towards north will be diverted at Ningthokong Bazar Mathak, Lekai Road, and passing through via Loktak Project Road connecting the Tidim route. This was informed in a press release today from Superintendent of Police, Bishnupur District. And now let's have another short break, and coming up, Sutler Sainya Nejwal joins BJP. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing Machapan Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Leklaba, Nauka Gi Infal Center Mahangjare, TV Phone Conjel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tabang, the Awab Mayok Nadibana Al Kudimak, Wabi Rogano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic Nasimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, Amadi rechargeable Whatever digital hearing aid Hapiu, Tabang Pangalwana Badongi Kangachana, Singles Powers Tambio, I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road, Paway Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 60054159.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020, and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter-wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents-teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. Former world #1 badminton player Saina Nehwal joined the Bharatiya Janata Party today, hailing Prime Minister Narendra Modi as an inspiration with his hard work for the country. Joining the party at a ceremony at its headquarters here, Nehwal 29 said the BJP has been doing a lot of good and she would work to do her bit as its member. She is the first Indian badminton player to have won an Olympic medal, a feat she achieved in the 2012 London Games, where was a bronze medalist. The Padma and Arjuna awardee, who later met BJP President J.P. Nadda, also referred to the government's Khelo India initiative and praised it. And now let's move to the sports news. KFC clashed with CTFC in a match of the first ever day and night 7-a-side football tournament 2022 day, which ended in a draw with 3 goals each. Later, in a tie-break, KFC beat CTFC by 3-1. The tournament is organized by All Kwakta Sports Association at Kwakta Public Ground, Bishnupur District.
Manager saya hukul eko.
YSUC Fubala clashed with Amofa Academy in the opening match of the 4th Hamam Biro and Hamam Brozen Memorial State Level Under 13 Football Tournament 2020 at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground today, which ended in a draw with 2 goals each. The tournament is being organized by Amofa Academy, Moirang. TUC defeated PHTO Ithai by 5-2 in the second match. Continuing protests against the move to cancel weightlifting, wushu, fencing and swimming from Sai Training Center, Kuman Lampak, Imphal, a large number of players today staged a protest by blocking the road in front of Sai Hostel at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, causing disruption to traffic movement. An order from Deputy Director of Sai and ERC, Francis Marwan, said that the Sai Training Center at Kuman Lampak will be shifted to Sai National Center of Excellence at Takyal. The protesting players said that removing the said disciplines will spoil their future.
Director Masamangna, akoi sida Iran to tholaroi haibadi ngasigi order pung 12 jida hairani haibadi order oina event amada ahuma event kangni ham ahumje amata karoi haina habireba aduga huji amu order thologo matamda event ahumjina tayal saida transfer chalaga aduga event swimming and diving ajina kaktat paina order thokpireba ado si mai lena department sing yengchan biduna khoi players sing ki pusiu kan biwa jajani
Iran horam badi ka ro habdi lemda dina koi sanaba fajan sanajaramme fajan practice tawramme are matung tabra si mu oda thokpire man to na iber ohum lothokani iber amana kakani hana odam thole hoje mu iben je ka ro transfer je tayan mu tarani aduga swimming jina amu kakthalani haire adu akoi si work si je nuai jade akoi sanaba mafam je dum sanan biyo atopada transfer tan bigano adu samaina koi da pressure me ampi bojo koi je nuai jade.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Health Director Rabi says social media reports on coronavirus case. Wasima JC stresses protest, murder suspect produced in court. And 9 shops raged by fire in Ukhrul district. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.